You're the direct reflection of the 5 people that you hang around with most. When you get around people, you're trying to lift them up. You're not gonna be trying to tear them down. He had to get uncomfortable. He was comfortable. He was alright living when he was back home. You don't want to be around friends that won't pour into you and make you a better person. Yo! What's up, everybody? Your boy is back with another video. Today's topic, it's gonna be one that I think a lot of people need to hear, and especially the younger generation. We need to talk about it because it don't get talked about. It don't get talked about much. So, you know what they say. Choose your friends wisely. Choose the people that you hang around with wisely. You're literally a direct reflection of the 5 people that you hang around with. So, today we're going to talk about how to choose your friends wisely. What are the things you need to look for when you're choosing your friends? What are the qualities you need to look for when you choose your friends? How to make sure that your friends are the right ones you should be around. So yeah, starting off with number 1. Like I said before, you're the direct reflection of the 5 people that you hang around with most. So you want to choose friends that have shared value as you do. You don't want to have friends that have different beliefs and different aspirations and things of that nature. You want to find friends that have similar beliefs. You want to find friends that have similar aspirations. You want to find friends that are kind of on the same path as you. One way you can do that is by just building your faith and building your insight and your love with God. As you building your insight and your faith with God, He tends to put the people that need to be in your circle or in your vicinity. He tends to put them in your vicinity and put them in your path. And it'd be crazy because it'd be the same as that people that's going on the same path as you, without you even really looking for them. He just tends to know exactly who to put in your path. Y'all click and everything. I'm currently on a journey of finding my friends. I have brothers and stuff, but we're not in the same state. We're not so close. So I text them, hit them up and things of that nature. But I'm trying to find friends that are more close around and that I can hang out with, that are on the same path as me. I had to reevaluate, and literally the same thing that I'm talking about in today's video, I had to do myself. I'm figuring out people that I had to change up, people that I had to switch up that wasn't aligning with the things that I wanted to do in life, like get closer with God and things of that nature. Make sure that you always find people that has, similar values as you and believe in the same thing as you, or believe in your vision, you know what I mean? Second thing, when you find the friends, you have to make sure that y'all have mutual respect. It kind of goes back into what I was saying with similar beliefs and things of that nature. You want to make sure that your friend respect you, because you don't want to be cool with somebody and then they talking behind your back, or you don't want to be cool with somebody and they don't give you the respect when you're around people. You know what I'm saying? Or they belittling you whenever y'all get around a group of people or a type of people that, with status and things of that nature. You don't want to be around people that's doing that. So make sure you find people that has mutual respect for you, and like you have mutual respect for them. Because you as a person, you're not gonna be talking behind their back, especially if you call them your friend, your brother, your sister, anything like that. Like, you get around people, you're trying to lift them up. You're not gonna be trying to tear them down. You're trying to really shine the best light on them. So make sure that friend that you're hanging around with, the people that you're hanging around with, are doing the same thing to you. Another thing that you have to make sure that your friends, your closest 5 friends, have is a positive influence. You don't want to be around people that have negative influence or that's promoting you to do negative things. Like, I used to have friends and stuff that I was around, and when I would smoke or drink or to get a bottle or anything like that, they would promote that, but whenever I come up with plans or have plans to do a business or anything of that nature, they're not around that, or they're not for that. But whenever it comes to you want to go smoke, you want to drink or party or something like that, now they encouraging it and they got to say so and things, and they want to put their 2 cents in, or they want to act like it's the best thing in the world. But whenever you trying to not do that, you trying to do things, grown man things, or things or bigger things that improve your life, like going to church and getting closer to God, or like building a business or working on a business or something like that, or you bringing up ideas that can make money and things of that nature, now they don't have no say so. Now they quiet. Now they lost for words. You don't want friends that only want to do reckless and party and things that don't improve your lifestyle. You don't want to be around people that pull you down, pretty much. Like they say, the crabs in the bucket stay together. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to be like that, because that crab won't try to keep pulling you down. Now we're going to talk about problems with finding genuine people. I know it's hard to find genuine friends. I know you just heard of the things that I just told you look out for and to try to find. And I know it's not so easy to do, especially in today's society, you know. And we're gonna speak about those things. Start off with people being fake. It's a lot of fake people nowadays, you know. It's a lot of people that really don't want to see you past them, or really don't want to see the best out of you, you know what I mean? Or like I was saying before, they talk good and stuff while you're around, and while you in their presence, they'll talk good, they'll talk the best, you know what I'm saying? They act like everything is cool, but as soon as you're gone or other people come around, now they talking bad about you, or they throwing dirt on your name, or they make you look really, really bad. And then as soon as you come back around, now they just the coolest person, you know what I mean? It's a whole lot of fake people around. So that's one of the problems I know that we deal with. Another problem that we deal with is pride, which is a major thing that we deal with, especially with social media. I mean, everybody want to feel like they everything, you know what I mean? And it kind of goes back to what I was saying before, like people will put you down to look better in the eyes of people that they think they're high status, and just because of pride, because they feel like them putting you down, making them look cool and making them look some type of way, so that the people with higher status will be able to want them around, you know what I mean? They don't really care about you in that situation. They're only really thinking about themselves. There always be situations where you might be short somewhere or something like that, or y'all might have a falling out or something like that, and now this person only thinking about themselves. They want to go air out your business on social media for the public and the world to see, when the whole time one thing they could have done if they had a problem could have came to you and y'all had a simple conversation and squashed it, you know. That's just, it's a lot of things that's crazy. And especially like I said with social media, I mean, you get on social media, it's like Instagram, YouTube, anything like that, and the only thing you see is people showing their best life. They only showing the highlights of their life. So now this person, they thinking that they know what living life is, and they want to be like that. So they're go against their own morals just to try to belittle you and make you seem like you're nothing. You know, you don't want to have friends like that. You want to look for friends that the complete opposite. And the last thing you want to look for, then stay away from, is simple-minded people. It's a lot of simple-minded people out here that just, they don't really want to do much in their life. Like I said, they see on social media all these people clubbing and partying and stuff of that nature. Like they send out the highlights, people traveling and things of that nature, and they're cool, you know what I mean? They just want to eventually do that too, but they don't really have a plan. They don't know how they're going to get there. They just know they want to get there, you know. And then people are comfortable nowadays. Nowadays, there's a lot of people that don't even want to move out of their home state or move out of their home city. You know what I'm saying? They're cool with staying in one spot. They're cool with that. It ain't nothing wrong with not moving out your home state, but like, hey, J. Cole said it best. The only way he was able to grow and be J. Cole and be the person he was able to be is he had to leave his home state, which is North Carolina, which is where I'm from, and had to move to New York, a bigger city. And him being in the bigger city made him literally adjust. He went there not knowing anything, and it made him learn how to be better, and it made him adjust. And he had to get uncomfortable. You know, he was comfortable. He was alright living when he was back home, back in North Carolina. He was comfortable. He know the people around, you know. He know the places he can go. People already know him around, you know, so around the state and stuff of that nature, and around the city. You know, he ain't really have to worry about anything, you know. He got his parents around to make sure that he's good. You being comfortable it's not it, you know what I mean? Your friends, if they're comfortable, they're going to try to make you comfortable. They're going to try to put in your head all the things that'll make you just second guess and belittle your dreams. You know, you might have big dreams and aspirations to move out to another state and get your own family and start this new company and start this new business and things of that nature. And you bring it across your friends' attention, and they over here trying to belittle anything. They're trying to tell you all the benefits of staying home, why you shouldn't move out, why you shouldn't take that risk. But you know, you will never be nothing in life if you don't take risks. So make sure that your friends are not simple-minded. Make sure that your friends are not comfortable, you know. And the last thing we're going to talk about is mental health, starting with social life. Having friends, having a social life is super important, because if you don't have a social life, if you just around in your crib all day, or you just by yourself all day, that's how you start getting into depression. You know, your thoughts, your mind start going crazy. You start thinking about all the bad things. You start thinking about how it's not really fun, how bored you are, you know, and how it's nothing entertaining around and things of that nature. But if you have a social life, You have friends, you know, they'll hit you up here and there. They'll see how you doing. They'll want to go out and, you know what I'm saying, go get some food or something like that. Go watch a movie or anything like that, you know. And that'll literally get your mind in another state. In a state where you might even start having adventures or having thoughts and ideas that, you know what I'm saying, that could change your life, you know. You might start thinking about different businesses that you can apply, you know what I mean? So it's very important to have a social life. Secondly, we're gonna talk about excitement. So you want friends that's excited for you. You know, I kind of spoke on it before how friends, especially friends with pride, they want to bring you down and being comfortable and stuff. They want to keep you in the same spot. Nah, you want friends that if you accomplish something, they're excited for you just as if they're the ones that accomplished it. You know what I mean? Or they're lifting you up. They're bragging about you and things of that nature. You don't really want friends that if you're out here accomplishing goals and doing things that they're just talking down on you, or they're not even putting up their best efforts, or they're not promoting you, or they're not even happy for you. You know, you don't want friends like that. You want friends that literally go crazy, like they're the ones that's accomplishing the goal. You know, it's just like they want to see you strive. They want to see you be the best person, the best version that you could be. You know, they'll be super excited for you for even the littlest things. Like say you had a goal to save $100 and you hit that goal, and you tell your homeboy or whatever, he's excited for you, like, you know, saved $1 million. You know what I mean? So definitely find friends that are excited for you, especially for the little things, because the little things count. And lastly, we're gonna talk about wisdom. You want to make sure you have friends that's able to show you wisdom. You want to be able to be around friends that are able to show you things, that are able to expand your mindset and expand your horizon. You don't want to be around friends that won't pour into you and make you a better person. You know, you want to be able to pour back into your friend as well, but you want to make sure that your friend has something to pour into you. You know, they say all the time you outgrow people. You know what I mean? So I mean, it's nothing wrong with just outgrowing a person, still staying in touch with them and things of that nature. But if that person can't really pour into you, like how you can pour into them, I don't really think that they should be your closest five friend. You know, that's just me personally, because it goes back to what I was saying about being comfortable and things of that nature. That same friend that can't pour into you and you can pour into them, they're gonna kill your dreams. You know, you're gonna have all these dreams, and then they're gonna be telling you all the bad side and why you should not go for those dreams and why you should not take that risk, when the whole time that risk take that you might do might be the thing that changed your life. So you want to make sure that you have friends that have wisdom, you know, and that can think outside the box and that are smart and understand life, and like I said, they can pour into you. This is just my little rant about how to find friends and how to make sure that you find the best friends that need to be around you, especially your five most people that you be around. Like you have to make sure that all these things that I listed, they check those boxes out, because if you do, then your life is definitely going to change. You're going to see a dramatic improvement in your life. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.